Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word generator. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The generator powered the entire building during the blackout. A generator is a device that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy, used as a backup power source during outages or in areas without electricity access. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.